In this problem, we need to evaluate this expression when x equals -2. So wherever I see an x, here and here, I'm going to substitute in -2. So I'm going to get 5 times x is -2, so -2 squared because I have x squared, plus 7 times what's x? -2 minus 3. Notice when I substitute in this value, I always put it in parentheses. Most of the parentheses are needed, not all of them, but it's safest just whenever you substitute in a value, put it in parentheses. So now, before I do anything else, I have to remember my order of operations. So here are my order of operations, and most students remember it by please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the first thing we have to do is grouping symbols. We need to do all operations inside grouping symbols. Now I have parentheses here and here, but is there anything to do inside the parentheses? No, that's simplified. So one is taken care of. Next, I do exponents, and here I have one exponent, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to have 5 times, and remember, what does -2 all squared means? It means -2 times -2. A negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to get 5 times 4 plus 7 times -2 minus 3. So I've done 1 and 2. Now I need to do multiplications and divisions working from left to right. So I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do this one. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then plus 7 times a -2, a positive times a negative is a negative. 7 times 2 is 14 minus 3. So now I've taken care of multiplications and I had no divisions. And now I need to do addition and subtraction working from left to right. So the first thing I'm going to do is 20 plus a -14. They're opposite in signs, so you take the sign of the bigger one, so my answer is going to be positive, and what's 20 minus 14? 6. And so I'm going to have 6 minus 3, and then what is 6 minus 3? 3. So this expression evaluated when x equals -2 is 3.